Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to study the fifth chapter of the grammar, the correct use of adjectives. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you take your English grammar text for the class. You have to take the page number 32. Here the correct use of adjectives. Here superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior, anterior, posterior. These comparative adjectives are always used as comparative degree, but they are followed by to instead of than. Example is, this cloth is superior or inferior to that. This event is anterior or earlier than that. Then further. Further is comparative degree of far. It shows a greater distance between 2 points. Further is the comparative degree of 4. Example is, Varanasi is further from Kolkata than Patna is. We must get further information. Next is each and every. Each is used in speaking of two or more things or person. Each means one of two things or one of many number exceeding two. Every is used in speaking of more than two persons or things. Every is never used for one of two but always for some numbers exceeding two. Example is, he was sitting with a child on the each side of him. He helped him on each occasion. Then each is used in respect of a definite number of person or thing. The attention is focused on the separate member of group. Every is used in a respect of indefinite number of person or thing. The attention is focused on group as whole. Example, everybody, all the boys in the class passed the examination. Each boy in the class was given 3 tries. The next page, 33. Either, neither. Either has two meanings, one of two, each of two. That is, of both. But the use of either is restricted to things that are compulsory or where one implies the existence of others. Neither is negative of either. It signifies neither the one nor the other. Example, he can take either side. He can take one side or the other. The river overflew on the other side. The river overflew on the both side. Each other, one another. Each other is used when two persons or a thing are concerned. One another is used when more than two persons or things are concerned. Example, the two friends helped each other. We should love one another. Preferable. This word has the force of comparative. It used in the comparative sense, but is never preceded by more. It takes after it to instead of than. Example, health is more preferable than riches. Correct is, health is preferable to riches. Unique, extreme, chief, complete, perfect, ideal, universal, entire. This adjective represents the highest degree, so they cannot be compared to all. Example, we can't say he is my chiefest enemy. We should say he is my chief enemy. This and that are followed by singular nouns. These and those are followed by plural nouns. We already know that. Mistakes are often made by using these and those in singular nouns. Example, I don't like these kind of people. We should use this instead of these. I don't like those sort of people. We should use that instead of those. Okay. Interior, exterior, major, minor, and ulterior. This comparative that end in or have no positive or superlative degree. They have lost their comparative force and are now used as positive adjectives. Example: the interior wall of the house is made of wood. It is a fact of minor importance. And take the page number 34. Former, latter, inner, outer, utter, either. Here, this comparative that end in er have lost their comparative force and are now used as positive adjective. These are not followed by than. Example: he is an utter fool. Of the two brothers, Jack is elder. This is the two example. And next one is test yourself is first, second, third Roman letter is a homework. First to third Roman letter is homework. You have to do yourself. Don't forget to do your homework, and you should write with pencil, not use your pen. Okay, thank you, children.